Until the culprit owns up, every marker is in. Someone's going to be getting 1 fight.
Chris, how's it going with that?
Be first time using it today.
First time, is it good?
Yeah.
Using it now?
Yeah.
First time now? First time now?
Yeah.
Right, come on then, let's have a look. This is that guy in Bognor, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, let's go over here, let's just have a look at the range. Let's have a look at the range, let's have a look. Hold on, I want to have a look, I want to see where you're going.
I went bear mine in one of fast.
Sorry, pal. Right, okay, ready?
Let's see.
No.
Right.
Pop up needs adjusting, that's definite. What's going on?
I'm throwing blacks. 0.5s.
0.5. Can't see him. Yeah, I can't see him going anywhere though. Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Right, so, Chris, look, I need to have a look at yours to see how, to try and compare them. So what does that do?
Just the motor heights.
That's a what?
Just the motor heights.
Right.
Nathan.
Right.
It's alright.
Sounds fine.
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah. Hard to see the BBs because of the blacks.
Is that you shooting, Ben? Huh? Is that you shooting, Ben? Someone shot Ben like twice.
I'm in the world of pain. My DMR flying 0.5 BBs.
Shooting 0.5s?
Yeah, at 1.5 joules.
Oh, I want to see how it shoots. Can you shoot? Sorry.
That's you shooting.
Can you shoot like towards that dark brown tree over there? So I want to see where the BBs go. I can't even see shit.
That's not bad.
That's shooting really. That's 0.5.
1.5 BBs.
To tell you the truth, my car 98K, the last time I bought
Give it the aim of the team. Bit of pain. 0.5s. 0.5 gram BBs at 1.5 joules. DMR. And it's got a pen MOSFET. Can't get the program made.
What?
You can't get the program. Built it, put the DMR over the MOSFET,
Yeah.
then take the optical sensor. So the only way to get it unlocked back into the full auto, you've got to stick the gearbox apart.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you very much. Just briefing for me now.
Okay guys, listen up!
Thank you. Taking advantage of that. I'll get a shout now. I can say it loud enough for Barry to hear. Alright, so Barry. Right guys, thanks very much. Welcome to Heli. It's going to be our first game of the afternoon. Everyone boo the late player. But what we're going to be doing, guys, is search and destroy. Okay? Everyone know the game mode? Everyone know what it is? See the lovely huts there and there? Those are the destruction points, right? This is your detonator. Once you get to your objective point, you're going to get it in one of the buildings. It can be either building. You can pick which one. The defenders will have 30 respawns on each building. Once their respawns are out for that building, they can move to the other one. They can respawn at either building, okay? Everyone got that? Attackers, get this box to the objectives, right? Open it up. Shout firing and push the button. One of the det charges this guy has will go off, alright? Have you got it? Hopefully in his pocket. With that said, guys, it's going to be semi-only, okay?
That's alright then.
It's going to be semi-only for the entire field. The field, you've got some boundaries. You've got the white markers running just along behind the building from the tree line just along there. You've got the netting running across all the way across there. Please don't go the other side of that. It's a bridle path. Please don't go scare any dog walkers. Along that side, the netting wraps all the way around and converts onto orange wrap trees that wrap all the way along down here up to the safe zone, okay? It's a big old square, big old rectangle, alright? Everyone got that? Stay on the inside of it, obviously. Attacking team. You're going to be starting just over there, just between the caravan and the bushes. There's a big old flat area. You're going to be starting there with myself, alright? Everyone understand the game, the objectives? Everyone understand how both teams are win? Yeah. Boundaries? Yeah. Happy days. Does anyone have any questions before we kick this off?
Who's attacking?
Who's attacking? Well, my friend, what side would you like to start?
Attacking.
Right, non-armed bands, you're defending first. Head that way for me. Orange,
Results.
head over there for me.
I'd have rather attacked because I could change the engagement distance so I could see.
Okay, defenders, you can spread yourself out between either building.
Get out of the way.
Started to move off to the crate. I thought we were swapping teams. I was like, no, this is the whole way we're covered this day. We're doing it.
Nathan, our spot.
When do you not go in that? That's what I'm looking forward to.
The day anyone can outrange me.
What is the range on that? Have you actually tested it?
100 metres top range that we've tested. With that spring. I'm fully aware that with the M220.
We've got to start the buildings.
Yeah, you got to start them.
Hey guys, who wants to end the game really quick? We've got to start inside the building, so... Who wants to end the game super quickly? I'm joking. Only if you let me through. What if I set it off while it's
Mounted inside of the front.
Please do.
So I'm just going to... Just wait till everyone that suspects you, yeah, just wait and get them all standing on the back of the car. Yeah, put your foot on the accelerator and turn the heat down. I've got 3 speed motors. So this one
and mine.
Especially if it doesn't, it can actually set up a really
No, they are. It's all melded up. They've been
More like cannon, like.
yeah, they've literally cannon pressed in.
Okay, so if they don't come
That's why
out.
I'm pissed. Because I want to find the car because I want to actually strand them. And then I'm going to plug them out over the exhaust and put them on the I don't know if they've got Oh dear.
Does this give me free license to handle anyone who's got suspected?
Deal the monster.
Yeah, but there's not many players here that would
This
do
one
it.
and Charlie.
It's like, you're making yourself sound suspicious. Where are they starting? On the building?
Yeah.
Wait as soon as
Number one. Dad, I'm already wanted. I am. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. They're all bunched up right there.
I know. What can I go?
Right where I am, there's a nice little square. Ooh, I see him.
I did a bit of a fucking... I got a good perfect shot of getting a rental one in his butt, right in front of me.
Wait, dead ahead of you.
No, my our rental player.
Oh, ours. For a second I was like, don't tempt me. I've been doing that all of the long game. I've been shooting rentals in the nuts and the stomach. That's all I've been doing all game.